I'm Commissioner George Bridges of the Waukegan Park District, and I love parks. I love everything that our Lord has created, and the ability to be able to break away from the day-to-day and be able to come out and enjoy the parks, all the amenities, and especially the water. I love that about our park.
Hi, my name is Carla, and I like to play at the park so I can play with my best friends.
Hi, my name's MJ. I like the park so I play sports in them.
My name is Evelyn, and I like going to the park because I like to enjoy the outdoors.
My name is Ayanj, and the park is really fun.